To 5th generation hobby shop, and welcome to another vlog, another video testing, another unboxing. Mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng ENC pistol. This is EC1302 Glock 19X color black. Okay, by the way, shout out kay Sir Randy ng Batangas. Okay, so this is the box. ENC S-Crane gas blowback airsoft pistol. So ang ENC is a China brand. Open the box. Comes with the owner's manual. By the way, may kasama na rin siyang gas tsaka BBs. And this is the unit. Yan. Markings Glock 19X. U-sight, standard sight kita ng Glock. Ito naman yung sa kabilang side. So this is airsoft gas blowback airsoft pistol, no? Airsoft. Nalalagyan din siya ng flashlight, accessories, tracer units, suppressor. Ang magazine niya ay 21 rounder. 21 rounder. So nilob ko na po yung mga valve niyan, pati yung sa inlet. Then may kasama siyang box strap. Dalawang box strap. Ito po yung sa likod. Ito po. Okay, dalawang extra. So this is Gen 5. Glock 19X Gen 5. This is Gen 5. Ayan. Okay, so this is crossover. Yung X po, X meaning ay crossover ng dalawang model. So ito po ay 19X. So ang crossover nito is the Glock 19 and the Glock 17. So this is 24 rounder pala, no? So ang magazine niya ay kaparehas ng magazine ng Glock 17. So compatible din po yung magazine ng WE. So this one is a Glock 19 slide and a Glock 17 frame or grip. Ayan. So crossover ng dalawang models, Glock 19 and a Glock 17. Ayan, kaya mahaba ang ang Glock 19X, mas mahaba ang grip compare sa Glock 19. Ayan. Okay, so testing, check natin kung ilang EPS itong Glock 19X by ENC. Okay, testing po, Glock 19X, chronograph testing. Na natin kung ilang EPS. Pairing 299.1. 307.9. 307.3. 283.3. and 297.1. Okay, and then open slide, Glock 19X, open slide, release mag, pull back the slide, hammer down. Okay, testing pa tayo. Okay, testing Glock 19X by ENC Gen 5 airsoft pistol. Okay, open slide, release mag, hatak lang yung slide, then hammer down. Okay, again, this is the Glock 19X by ENC Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol.